Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss any update.
To opening this photo album of 32 photos which I ordered from Zoomin app. I got a coupon in Flipkart, as I am plus member in Flipkart, so they give me the coupon and I ordered this. So let's see. And the front page is made by me. So these are the photos they give. In one page they give 2 photos. It will be more better if they give the photos in single piece. So the quality is like a magazine and kind of photo paper. It is a glossy material. So thanks for watching.